Hello everybody, welcome back to the Motorhub Media Car Meets for another video. We are back in Plymouth here at Marshmallows again, yes, for another car meet. So we're going to go film some arrivals, going to pop into the car park, and then we're going to go film the exit. So let's roll the intro. Look at that. Yeah, he's got a grin on his face, he knows the rules, he loves it. Oh, he's flashing at us. Go on, son. Got ourselves a Fez. There goes the Civic. Look at the Mustang. Oh, it sounds nasty. Oh, there you go. Look at the Fiesta. Mental. They're all giving it away. Okay. Well, that was loud. Fantastic looking Evo. This Focus is usually loud. Oh! Oh, look at the Golf R. Nice. Oh yes, here we go. He's coming in. Where should he go? Oh, chill out. Check out this BMW. It is on air ride. It's looking nice. And there's that. Oh, go on, son. You've also got the Integra. There he goes into the meet. So here we got a unique looking Vauxhall. Look at the Corsair. Really do like that. I thought it was a reason why he brought his blurry plate to the meet. Oh, he's burning them up. Hello. Look at this machine. Isn't that looking mental? Oh, look at the Jag. Nice. And that's your lot. That is mental. Oh, he's going to roundsy roundabout. The Minion be Minion. And that's your lot, he says. Okay, this sounds absolutely nasty. Look at that. As expected, the police are here, so we'll see if they stick around. More than likely they will do, or they're being slow, so I expect they are going to. Yes, well, we'll see what happens. Hello. See what he's done now? See what he's done? He's attracted the police because of all the smoke and they think it's tyres. Loving the colour on that, that's nice. Well, they're waving. Very happy to be here. Turbo. Oh, cheeky little flash. Go on, son. Well, isn't that unique? That's a Micra as well. That looks absolutely terrible. Look at the Mercedes. Looking very nice, that is. The police are going into the meet. They're going to check out the content before we do. Here we go, another Civic arriving. There he goes. Oh yes, we do have the Fez. Another member of Secret Society. Would we get a cheeky wave then? Oh, Diesel. Oh, yes. Okay. If you must. Here we go. We got a Mitsubishi coming. Here it comes. Well, someone's broken down already, clearly. They are going very, very slowly. And there they go. It seems that actually he's coming back and he's brought some backup. So more than likely the police are going to be monitoring this meet this evening. So there they are. There's one. And more than likely, because they know what happens on the roundabout, he's going to park over there. Trico's taking it easy, look. He's taking it easy. And I wonder why he's taking it easy. Yay! Okay, so as you can see behind me, they're talking to the police. Now, yeah, they're car guys. We're talking to them, quite nice. Overall, general conversation, it's all good. But do you guys think that police being at car meet are going to be the new normal? Okay, so we do have a lovely looking Sylvia. Look at that! Go on. Get on. We got the thumbs up. Go on, my friend. Do like this Mini. Looking fresh inside as well. Do you know what? Really do like that. That's a good piece of kit. We got some GT86s. Hello. Fresh looking Mitsubishi Evo 8. Looking nice. Seems to be he's providing the party tunes. Well, there's one departure. Oh, look at that. Oh, hey! Whoa! That's from the Gulf! Jesus! Beautiful. Oh, and then we've got Mitsubishi Evo 8. That sounds evil, literally. Go on, son. Got a Civic. Is he going to give it any? Well, that was loud. Oh yes, there goes the backed BMW. Beautiful. So it seems to be he's covering us in diesel. Oh, look at this. Go on, son. He's giving us a flash. This looks nice and orange. The crowd seem to be loving it. Here comes a Mini. Look at him, look at the massive smile. He's smiling. There goes Scooter. Whoa. M140i. That's going for it as well. He decided. Look at the R33. Nice. There we go. We've got an Audi. That was loud. That made me jump. Jesus, Jesus Christ. But little does he know what this can do. Here this comes. Whoa. Mental. That was seriously mental. Oh, it's diesel. There he goes. Go on, son. Then we got a GT86. Then we got another one. Yes, son. Here we go. Look at this. Mental. He's taking it easy. Here comes a Subaru, though. There he goes. Oh, there comes a Corsa. He tried. We do have a shitbox. Here we go. Oh, he failed it. He failed it. His friends are laughing at him. I'm sure we'll see him leave in a bit.
It's 13, 180 SX maybe.
What is it?
I don't know, 180 SX, I don't know.
Oh.
Might be, it could be a 180, could be a 200, could be just a standard S30. I don't know. Edit this out of the video. I will bum you.
Yay! devil's that? Oh, he's giving us a wink. Go on. But look at that. That sounds nasty. DC5's on its way. You know, Diesel Fabia. Oh, there you go. There's your diesel. Listen to that key. Oh, yes. There he goes. And of course, look at this absolute weapon. Mental. Let's go back. Whoa! He's got neons. Bringing that retroness back. Oh, that sounds monstrous. After all that excitement, the police decide, yes, we'll come back and check it out. Nothing going on here, though. You heard it here first. He's going around the roundabout. There he goes. Oh, he's giving us a wave. Ooh. There you go. Here we go. Another Mustang, a grace to meet. Look at this. Diesel. This is nice. Oh, here we go. Go on, son. And he's gone. Oh, Ricky goes. A fez. There he goes. There goes Bash. Bag D91 coming at the meat. That was brave. Now a lot of the cars are going to take it easy because we now got the police parked literally over there on the other side of the roundabout. We've got another Civic to part in. There she goes. Oh, Trico. Loving the colour scheme on that, really do. There he goes, taking it easy. Oh yeah, we've got the Civic, but look at the NSX. Oh look, taking their family home. Go on. There they go. Leave me in the mid, boy. Here they come. There's one. There's two. The Mini's chasing him down. He goes, I'm not having that. Come here, boy. Go on, son. Oh, that sounds odd. Oh, Whistly Diesel. Wow! He's going for it though. Go on, son. And all you can see there is just plain black diesel. Wow! There goes that. Woo! I'd say so too. Some more motors. There goes the Merc. Oh! Go on, son. So one thing whilst we're waiting for more cars to leave the car meet is, did you know that we have now taken the sim racing off of this YouTube channel? So what I'll do is I will leave a link down below in the description where you can go find our sim racing YouTube channel as well, if any of you that are here on this YouTube channel interested in the sim racing. So yeah, it'd be good to see you over there. I'll drop a link down below. Go follow it up, guys. Good content on the way. So it seems to be that the police are down there hunting their prey, waiting for more people to exit the roundabout. The what? The roundabout. There they go. They're having a good look. Here we go. We got a fez. Oh, it's a fake police car. Fence. Oh yes, there comes a Bora. Wow. Coming to Hollyland Diesel. Oh, you're in a slurp. What are you drinking?
Your mum.
You meant to say relentless. But don't let this distract you from the fact we got Cyclist Boy. Whee! Get on, mate, alright? Go on, son. Oh, he read the memo. Oh, it's smoky. There goes that. Next. Oh, yes. There goes one. Next. Oh, that 1.2 power. Oh, it's only a coat. Oh, DSG. There goes another one. Oh, it's Reiki. There he goes. Reiki boy. I think I know what's going to happen. Oh, yeah. And there he goes. In true BMW fashion. And there you can see the absolute mess that he's made. Look at that. Nasty. Oh, we got that too. There he goes. Okay guys, and that is the end of this car meet here in Plymouth at Marshmills. Yeah, it was kind of alright, not like the other meets that we usually have here in Plymouth, but overall it was good to see some friends, good to see the modified cars as well. And yes, of course, the police turned up. I think we knew that anyway. But as I said previously in the video, do you think it's a good idea that the police attend these meets? Let us know down below, because it'd be very interesting to, yeah, find out your opinion. So, I've been Luke. This has been another Plymouth car meet here at Marshmills, and we will see you at the next car meet. So, keep tuned, goodbye, and take care.